How to change the font size and font style in Windows 11. Let's see how to change the font size. First, right-click on the Start button. Then select Settings. In Settings, click Accessibility in the sidebar. Then select Text Size. Here you'll see a slider to adjust the text size. Drag the slider to the right to increase the text size. The changes will apply on Text Size Preview section. Then click Apply, so you'll see the text size update in real time. Now let's see how to change the font style. Open Settings again, select Personalization on the left, followed by Fonts on the right. Scroll down to Available Fonts and select the font you are interested in using. Locate the full name line in the metadata section and write it down exactly as it's written. Now open Text Editor. Copy-paste this code here. On here, paste your copied font name you want to use. Now save it as a registry file. After save the reg file, open it. A confirmation tab will pop up. Click on Yes. Then a message will pop up that font has been added to the registry. New font will apply after a restart. If you want to revert to the default font, then right-click on the reg file. Open with Notepad. Remove the font name from here and keep it empty. Then save and close. Now open the registry file. A confirmation tab will pop up. Click on Yes. Then a message will pop up that font has been added to the registry. Default font will apply after a restart. And that's how you can change the font size and font style in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.